This is the you get what you get, you don't get upset paint job. It took me about 2.5 hours. Whoa, I look crazy. And I just finished the molding. I did the door frames, the molding of that. And then I had like 4 doors I had to paint as well. And yeah, I'm feeling good. My husband took down the thing, like all the furniture we need to take down so I could paint. And he also took down the outlets and stuff like that. So tomorrow I'm gonna start with the green trim, and this is the other part of the room. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Have I filmed? I don't think so. So I did the molding, day 1. Day 2, I did the green trim, and I started rolling the walls. So that's where we're at today. And we'll see what today brings us. I'm in good spirits, and I'm excited to hopefully be done today. Is that possible? No, I have to do the ceiling too. That's wild. Maybe. Let's be optimistic. Okay, I have like a little plastic, and I put it over this area so that when I do the ceiling, it doesn't fall on it. But I feel like there was a reason for me to come on, and I can't remember what it was now. You hear those birds? They got something to say. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I think I'm gonna be done with this today. That's my goal. Which, I'm over here now. This covered so much better than the red. The red from the movie room, I think you guys just got a glimpse of it. Let me actually finish painting, because like that's what I have to do. How's the view? I don't want to use this sparingly. We got 3 cans. This is my 2nd can, and I'm almost done. And I don't want to do it sparingly, because if I do it sparingly, I'm gonna have to do a 3rd coat, and I'm not doing that. So. That's a purdy. It's time for the big reveal, but first let's show the Trauma Response Millennial Gray that we painted our entire house. By the way, this color was called Drizzle, so in case you're like, I like the before better than the after, that's what it's called. Again, here's Roxy, here's Dolly. Yes, we keep them separated. This is the movie room that you see in the, in the doorway, and this is the hallway, and now we're gonna show you the after. Guys, I am so beyond thrilled that we went with this color. I think it's absolutely stunning. We were able to reuse all of our design pieces that we had, the artwork we had, the Lennox that we had. These are vintage pieces that are on this wall, and I feel like these vintage pieces give speakeasy hallway vibe, and the mudroom gives open, airy, and welcoming.